Hey guys, in this video I am gonna show you how to do an anime set step by step. It's gonna be a longer video than normal, and longer video don't get views, but it's okay. I want to share and that's all matters. For the anime set, it's best if you make it with 5 to 7 groups, or you can say 5 or 7 spikes. And here is the map. For the spikes, it's best if you use 0.07 because you want to make your spike to look spiky, pointy, and not fanning out. You can use C or CC or D curl, it's up to you. So on the real eyes, always have 2, 3, or 4 layers. And keep your first spikes on the top layers. And don't wipe the spike on the edges, wipe it on the side, and make sure you keep the base flat and square, like that. And when you place it on, use your tweezer to turn it to the right, to the left, and make sure you hold it so your spike can be pointy. And when you place the next one, make sure you turn it to the middle, and it has to be one size shorter. So remember, all the spikes around the middle one surrounding it has to be one size shorter. You wanted to make it look like a Christmas tree. Remember, one side or 2 sides shorter and turn it into the middle so it can look like a triangle. Add more spikes if you want it to look bigger. And don't grab it too close to the base, it will fan out. Try to grab it close to the top, like past the middle a little bit, so your spike can be pointy. Create the first 5 spikes, then all the spikes will follow the main one. And remember, I said earlier, turn all your spikes into the middle, make them look like a Christmas tree. And that's all you need to do. All your spikes are done. Now you fill it up between with either classic or narrow fans, and make sure you use all the short numbers. And one thing about this set, you don't want it to make them so thick in between. You can fill it up with classic, and you can skip the first or middle, the top or the middle layers, but you have to fill all the way as much as you can at the bottom layers. And you don't want to make them too much, remember, don't make them too thick, it won't look good. Just a few between all the spaces, and that's all. Very simple. And now is the result. Here you go. Thank you for watching.